Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how Home Decor Ideas for the living room offer an exciting opportunity to transform this central space into a warm and inviting hub for relaxation and socializing. The living room is where we gather with family and friends, making it essential to strike a balance between style and comfort. One of the key considerations is choosing a color scheme that sets the tone for the room. Whether you prefer calming neutrals, vibrant pops of color, a sophisticated monochromatic palette to create a cozy atmosphere, consider adding plush sofas and chairs with soft throw blankets and cushions. Incorporating stylish coffee tables, side tables, and entertainment units not only provides functionality but also adds character to the room. Thoughtful placement of lighting fixtures such as floor lamps or pendant lights can create the perfect ambience for various occasions. The living room is also an ideal canvas for displaying your personal style through carefully selected decor pieces. Showcase your interests and hobbies with unique art prints, sculptures, or decorative items that resonate with you. Indoor plants not only bring a touch of nature but also purify the air and add a fresh and calming element. Rugs and carpets can ensure the seating area and define different zones within the living room. If you have a fireplace, consider making it a focal point by adorning the mantel with art or cherished mementos. Additionally, incorporating functional storage solutions like bookshelves or built-in cabinets can keep the space organized while displaying your favorite books accessories. Finally, incorporating your personal touches into the small room decor is what makes it truly special. Family photographs in stylish frames, a gallery wall featuring cherished memories, or a collection of travel souvenirs can give the space a unique and sentimental touch. Don't forget to pay attention to window treatments, as they not only add privacy but also contribute to the overall aesthetics of the room. Experiment with different curtain styles and materials to find what complements your design vision. Remember that the living room is a space for relaxation, so keeping it clutter free and organized will help create a more serene environment. By combining your style, preferences, comfort, and functionality, you can create a living room that becomes the heart of your home. I hope this video will be helpful for you for your home's decoration ideas, and please tell me what's your best design in this pictures collection. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Meet you next video. Thank you.